friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be grilling corn in foil. So first thing I need to do is to preheat the grill. So let me open the grill. I'm going to turn the heat on high. And I'll close the lid so it preheats quickly. So here we have corn on the cob, aluminum foil, seasonings. I'm just going to use salt and pepper to keep it simple. You can use any seasonings you like. And I also have olive oil, and as an alternative, you can also use melted butter instead of oil. So I'm going to pour a little bit of oil in a dish here. And I'll brush corn with oil and season with salt and pepper. First I'll brush corn with oil here. And I'll season this side. So here's salt and black pepper. And now let me flip it over and add oil and seasonings on the other side. So again, instead of olive oil, you can use melted butter. It also tastes amazing. It's just a personal preference. So let's sprinkle salt and pepper on the side. And now let's wrap it in aluminum foil. So here's corn, and I'm going to just make an envelope and wrap it. So now I have corn wrapped in foil, and it's time to place it on the grill. So while I was seasoning it and putting it in foil, the grill has been preheated. So let's open the grill. I'm going to reduce heat to medium-low. Now this is for my grill. It has a pretty strong flame, so medium-low is the right temperature. Other grills are not as powerful. You'd want medium, so it really depends on your grill how quickly it cooks. And now let's add corn. So foil really keeps it from burning, and it will be cooking here in foil. And I'm going to close the lid. So when you close the lid, things cook quicker. And I'm going to check it in 7 minutes. I'm going to turn it, and then we'll cook it until it's done. So now corn has been cooking for 7 minutes. So let's open the grill, and I'm going to flip it over. This one is stubborn, it keeps flipping. Okay, now I did it. Flip them all over. And now I'm going to close the lid and cook it for another 8 minutes. So it will be a total of 15 minutes from start to finish. And we'll take it off the grill, unwrap it, and try it. So now it's been cooking for 8 minutes on this side, so 15 minutes total. And now I'm going to take it off the grill. So let's turn off the grill. And take off the corn. So this is extremely hot. I'm going to wait for 5-10 minutes. So basically when it's cool enough to handle, then you need to unwrap the foil and try the corn. So now it's been 5 minutes, so now it's cool enough to handle. So let's unwrap the corn. Look at that, amazing. Perfectly grilled corn. And the foil really protects it from burning. So if you like it more charred, you can put it directly on a grill. I do have another video of grilled corn directly on a grill. But in foil, it really protects it from burning. So you still get the grill marks, but it's not as burned as corn is directly on a grill. And it's perfectly cooked. Look, it's so nice and yellow. Awesome. Perfect, looks so delicious. So I unwrapped the corn after 5 minutes. The foil was cool enough to handle, but the corn itself is still super hot. So I'm going to wait another 5 minutes until it's cool enough to actually taste it, and then I'll try it. So now I'm ready to try corn. Let's just take it out of foil. Look at this amazing, perfectly grilled corn on the cob. So juicy with an amazing deep grilled flavor. You're going to love grilling corn on the cob. This is actually my favorite way of grilling corn on the cob in foil. It really seals in the moisture. It still allows it to be grilled, but it doesn't make it burn. So this is the best method, in my opinion, of grilling corn. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!